Welcome to the Programmer's Talk. In Fun with Python session, now we are going to see to print emojis using Python programming. Interesting, right? Now, before we begin the session, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated. Now, let's get started. To print emojis in Python, there are different ways to print the emojis in Python. Every emoji have their Unicode and CLDR shortening. So let's see how to print emojis using Unicodes and CLDR names. And these are all the list of Unicodes and CLDR names of all emojis provided in description. Go through that. And now I'm going to print emojis in Google Colab. Let's go to the Google Colab. First, I will print emoji using Unicode. Print from the list of Unicodes, replace plus with 3 zeros and prefix with the Unicode is / and print it. Let's check. Wow. Again, I'm going to print another emojis. I'm going to run this. Wow. Same like this, we will also print the emoji using CLDR shortening. I'm going to print / capital. I'm going to which is the CLDR short name is grinning face. I'm going to run this. Wow. I'm going to try another. I'm going to run this and let's check. It's printed, right? So, as like same, we can print with the different kinds of functions too. So, we are done with the printing of emojis using Python programming. Thanks for watching.